Hi there, Tony here at STARLINE Windows. A question we often get asked is, can I remove my vent blocks after the window is installed? Now, the quick and easy answer is yes, you can, provided your window is operating properly. Now, the reason these are in there, of course, is to keep your vent true and square during the installation process. So if you have no problems with the operation of your vent, there's no need to take them out. However, if there is a slight binding or rubbing on one of these vent blocks, feel free to pop them out, even though it says do not remove, and that could probably take care of the little binding or rubbing that you have. If you need to take out both, quickly just grab it. If they're actually stuck in there, grab a little putty knife and pop it out, and your window will operate perfectly. So again, can you take them out? Quick answer is yes, you can, as long as your window is level and true. That's your window tip today from STARLINE Windows. Hope that was a help. Check us out on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. Check out our website, and we'd love to hear from you.